Dear friends, hello and welcome to the channel. This new episode is dedicated to our new carom billiard simulator game. I'm going to start by introducing you to the simulator by means of a few characteristic shots in different game modes. Okay, let's start with free play, a draw shot using 3 cushions with a yellow ball. Each ball trajectory is displayed. Also a masse shot. Again, the trajectories are displayed. Cushion game shots. A classic draw shot off of 1 cushion using 2 cushions for the yellow ball. And again we see the trajectory of the balls. A specific cushion game shot, a piqué rentrée. We see the ball going to the left before coming back to the right. Some 3 cushion shots. In this 3 cushion shot, we can see that the system is respecting the start, 50, finish, 30, and aim, 20. A 3 cushion shot inversed, using the width of the table. We can see here the trajectory and the curve that the ball makes after impact with the second ball. This game will also allow you to play Korean 4-ball. 5-pin billiards is also featured in the game. Here we see a shot played using 2 cushions. The zoom function allows us to see a little more detail. We now see an artistic billiard shot. A very nice shot. In replay we can see the ball jumps after impact with the second ball. As we watch the ball jump in slow motion, you can get an idea of the precision of the simulator. This game uses an artificial intelligence module, which enables it to find solutions to all ball position setups. Let's see how the AI works on this position played with 3 cushions. You can see that the AI offers you 3 possibilities. For example, we see the second possibility played in 2D. The third one can also be seen in 2D, as well as on the pool table in 3D. In the game, there are also lessons, which are scored, allowing you to progress from your current level, beginners, through to expert. Here you see the lesson screen, where you will find different game modes, different chapters and options on the level of lessons from easy to expert. Here we see a lesson on a 2 cushion shot. The solution is displayed with all possible trajectories. We've also developed a challenge section, especially for 3 cushion games, where the player has to find a solution adopted by the champion or a given position. We have found some particularly interesting and difficult tricks in matches actually played on real billiards tables. Here is a challenge shot. You can see the solution if you've not found it yourself. Check to see if your solution is correct. Here you see the trajectories. You'll also be able to try your hand at artistic billiards, as all 100 preset shots from the official program are presented in the game. One of the strong points of the game is the possibility to play online against other players located anywhere in the world. This will allow you to interact with other opponents, discover other styles of play, and finally to create a community around carom billiards. Here we see one of the screens that will allow you to find an opponent to play against online. The game includes lots of performance statistics for each game mode, against the AI and against other online opponents. You can review each of your games in detail, shot by shot, and you can also access your ranking. I won't show you all of the options of the game, for example the recording of shots, the sharing of shots between players, the solo level, which is your level of play against the AI, the ranking, which is your level of play against other online players. I'll let you discover those by yourself. This game does not require a download. All you need is a web browser and a mouse. A tablet and mobile version will be available soon and may already be available when you watch this video. I'll give you more gameplay details and features in future videos. I will add a link to these in the description below. Thanks for watching this game presentation. My next communication will be with a link to the game Caromball.